So, good afternoon, everyone. So, we got this 2008 Volkswagen Beetle with a 2.5 liters engine. This car was here yesterday and complained of this car. It has intermittent stalling. One day it runs and then it will stall or it stop. Even on traffic light stop. Then as soon as it stops, you start the car, it will start again. So the customer bring it here yesterday and then asked me to, diagnose it and figure it out what's wrong with this car. And I already hook up my scanner. And we got this code. So it's a P0322 ignition, distributor, engines, circuit, no signal. So I already pre-diagnosed this, and this is your crankshaft position sensor. And also it has a check engine light on right there, and EPC. So I already went to my prodemand. This is 2008 Volkswagen Beetle 2.5 liters engine, and your crankshaft position sensor connection is 3 wire. So right here your signal is on, usually it's on the middle. So that's your number 1 is crankshaft positive, number 2 is your signal, and number 3 is ground. So we're gonna back probe number 2 wire. So crankshaft sensor for your Volkswagen new Beetle. So I think we should see also a square wave. So this is very common culprit of intermittent stalling of your Volkswagen based on my research. But again, we are going to confirm what happened to this crankshaft position sensor. So I will be hooking up my lab scope, oscilloscope onto the signal wire, and we should see again a square wave. This is similar to your camshaft position sensor. Okay, so I already jacked the car, and the location of your position sensor is underneath over here. And it's oily. Look at that. So it seems like it that's the wire. So that's your signal wire, sensor. So it goes all the way there, and that's the connection right there, right here. I might gonna let me check if I can back probe up there or underneath. But it seems like it's better if I will back probe it here at the bottom. Okay, let me set up my oscilloscope. So again, this is underneath the car. So on your passenger side, just go all the way there, and that's your sensor right there. Alright guys, so I already hooked up my oscilloscope. And we got right here, we got 5 volts. By the way, I unplug the sensor, and then it's gonna be hard for me to show you in here, but right there I unplug it. See that wire right there? Then I back probe the one on the middle, and we got 5 volts, so I'm pretty sure this is a square wave. So that's your other connection of your sensor right there. So I unplug it, put my red leads of my oscilloscope on the middle wire of your sensor, ECM side. Okay, it's not that, that's not the sensor side, it's from the ECM side. And then I hook up my negative wire on the alternator, and then over here we did see 5 volts right there. So now let's start the car. By the way, key is on. Okay, now let's start the car, and hopefully it will stall, so we could see when gonna stall. Okay, up. By the way, we should plug it. I forgot to plug the sensor. Let's plug it in. Alright, so we plug in the sensor right there, so the car should start. And then we got still 5 volts. Alright, so sensor is plugged in. I forgot. Now let's start it. Start the car. Alright, car start. So check engine light is off. Let's just wait until the car will stall. And right now we got this. Hold on, let's do this 50. There. Right, also here you can see that's the square wave right there. Right now it's perfectly fine. Let's see after a few minutes, because the customer told me after the car warms up, that's the time the car will stall, and then when you start it again, the car will start. I'm pretty sure this is a bad crankshaft position sensor. I just want to confirm it. Let's see when, and I want to see, you know, the bolts, if it will go down, say 4 bolts, and then it will go 0. Usually that's a sign of bad sensor from my experience. Remember the Nissan Murano? It supposedly it's 12 volts, then 0, then 12 volts, then it become 10 volts, this 0, and then suddenly it will become flat line. Hopefully this will show same scenario like that. So it will go to 4 volts or 3 volts, then 0, and then after a while it will become flat line. Let's just wait. Alright, you see that? Holy crap. Hold on, come on. No, 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 no. Oh, it's okay. Perfect. See that? It's flat line now. Now let's go back. So let's go back. Let's see if we get that part. Come on. There you go. No, oh shoot, man. I think I got the worst one, the worst part. Oh, right there. It's just quit. See that? From here, it just quit. And then the owner told me if we start it again, the car will start. Let's see. You see that? The sensor just quit. Let's try to confirm it. Let's start again. Oh, just key on. We'll just leave it key on. Did I record it? see. Oh, I didn't record it, but it's okay. So, see that? Right here. Actually, you know what? I think it become, see that? Let me just quit this sensor. Just quit. Look at. All right. I guess that's the confirmation that your sensor is bad. Yeah, because mostly all the sensor that I diagnose with my oscilloscope, it's just like this. Just quit. You know what? Maybe let's just crank the car. Let's crank it. And let's see if we will get a signal. Let's just crank it. Let's go check. Alright, let's stop. And then let's see if there's. Nope. Nothing. Oh, there's a little bit. But it didn't pull to ground. Alright. Yeah, nope. See that? It's trying to pull it to ground, but the sensor is not pulling to ground. That signal coming from, or the 5 volts coming from your ECM. Yeah, that's it. We're just gonna replace it with the sensor and see how it goes. Alright guys, so we had a brand new sensor. So I bought this again from Amazon, so it's cheaper, and then I can always return if this doesn't work. I love I mean, I have a positive result on buying sensor from Amazon so far. For say a couple of sensor that I bought from them, customer didn't come back. Same thing with this. This came from Amazon too. Alright, let's just put this on and let's check the signal. I'm not gonna show you anymore how to remove this because it has only like 2 bolts. I think this is an Allen keys right there. So 2 bolts right there, and then just plug it in, plug this in, that's it, done. Oh, by the way, if you are having a hard time to remove this, because these are Allen wrench, Allen keys, so I'm using number 4. This is number 4, but then this one is already round head, so I'm using this Torx bit. This is number T27, and then just sneak it in here, tap it a little with the hammer. It will stick in there, and then you can remove it. Now let's remove this sensor. Alright, so we already installed the new sensor right there. So there's a clip in here, but we're just gonna remove it from the old one. But for now, let's just start the car and check our oscilloscope. Alright guys, so let's start the car. Start the car. Alright, let's start. And let's go check. Oh, there you go. Nice square wave. We can also record it. Hold on. Okay, now it's recording now. Let's just wait. So let's wait till like 3 minutes. Because a while ago, I think after 3 minutes, the car stalled. So for this one, let's wait for 3 minutes. So guys, so this is real time, so we're almost in 2 minutes. So let's wait for a couple of minutes more and let's see if the car will stall. But so far we had a nice square wave, 5 volts. So over here, let's put the trigger over here. So 5 volts, pull down 0, then 5, 5, 0. So working good, doing good. Alright guys, what happened? Hold on. Okay, hold on. Alright guys, see that? Because of the vibration, I think. Oh, it's more than 3 minutes now, so I guess that's it. It's fixed already. So it's a bad crankshaft position sensor. So it's really nice if you have this, oscilloscope. You can really trace if your crankshaft position sensor is bad. So that's it guys. So if you had any question in this video, please comment down below and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today and see you on my next video. Bye bye.